Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up parental control on your child's Poco X4 GT device. So, first you need to log out of all Google accounts on the child's device. Then you need to log in into the child Google account on this device, but I suggest you create child's Google account with the password that only you will know, because if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link. So you need to create an account for the child, or just ask the child to change their password to one that only you will know, and don't forget to link the child's account to your phone number to prevent the child change his password. So scroll down, find settings, scroll down, find account and sync. Click Add Account, click Google, enter child's email, click Next, enter child's password, click Next again, click I agree, and scroll down, click accept. Cool. Now go back to the settings menu, scroll down, click Google, scroll down, choose parental controls, get started, child or teenager, next, wait a while, choose child's Google account, and now you need to log in into your Google account to link child's account to your parent Google account. So log in into your own Google account. So enter your email, click Next, and enter your password. Click Next again, scroll down, and confirm your password. Oh, sorry, confirm child's password. Click Agree, click Allow, click Next. Cool. Here you can choose apps to block on the child's phone. Okay. Go. Okay, as you can see, the part of my apps are blocked on child's device, so it was crashed. But don't matter. So now you need to install Family Link application on your device, on parent device. So open Play Store on your device, find here Family Link. Oh my gosh, what the keyboard wallpaper here. So find Family Link and install it. Click Open. Click Next, get started. Parent will use this device before you start. Next. Switch account, not this account. So log in into your Google account, into your parent's Google account that was linked to child's Google account. Click Next. Click I agree. Here you need to choose child's Google account. We recently linked. And cool, as you can see, we have full control of the child device. You can see the part of my apps are blocking now in this moment. So cool. In this app we can lock child's devices, all child's devices. We can lock this device. We just need to find it among these all devices, but I can't see it. Wait a while. I think it's this device, so we can play sound. Yes, this device. Poco X4 GT is 220412116G. Okay, so cool. Stop it, please. So we can block this device. We can block separate applications on this device. For example, if we want to block TFT, we need to click View All Apps, then find TFT here. So just find TFT or Brawl Stars, for example. We have no Brawl Stars here. So just find TFT. Okay, so to block TFT, we need to click on the sandwich and click block. Wait a while, and as you can see, TFT was successfully blocked on the child's phone. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.